Hello, it's me again, Claudia Götting, the Regional Area Coordinator for the Hérault. And I'm today presenting you a property in Orlac. And Orlac is a very good example of a French medieval town, and it is rated as one of the most beautiful villages in France. The old village is clustered around the bell tower, which was formerly the main tower of the chateau. The property that I'm going to present to you today is dating back to 1836, and it was the former Relais de Poste on the important road connecting Montpellier with Toulouse. So here the drivers and the travelers could have their overnight stay and the horses their well-deserved rest in the stables. And now let's step in, because the former stables are now a stunning private living accommodation in addition to this beautiful Maison de Maître. So, if you are looking for a new life in the south of France, you can't buy a better property. It's a real gem, it's immaculate, nothing to do, and it's ready to go for your business, but still with scope to change it to your own needs. There are rooms that are still empty that you might like to change into a spa, into a workshop, doing seminars here, or just simply being a bed and breakfast as well. There are 5 lovely bed and breakfast rooms and scope for apartments if you like. In this area, in this setting, next to a historic monument like the Pont du Diable, with the mountains for climbing and hiking, the rivers and waterfalls for swimming, and the beaches in 45 minutes, you simply can't fail. It offers in the Maison de Maître part 365 square meters of habitable space, and in the private area 175 square meters of habitable space. So if you want to find out more about this really rare, unique gem in this fantastic setting, which is exclusive with Leggett, you won't find it anywhere else. Just look into the details. You will find underneath the property description and the property link, the link to my portfolio, my contact details, and I'm looking forward to seeing you here to explain everything about the place in detail and about the area, and I'm hoping to see you soon. Bye bye.